Daddy phone plus Mommy Rachel equals me, Ate Anna, and baby Arjun. Happy family! Please subscribe our channel. Team Angela Beans, Filipino India family.
Hello everyone. Good evening. Good evening. This one is having virus.
Here we go. We are
Ayan.
eating
You know, guys. So we are back.
from wedding, from shoot.
Yeah. We didn't eat lunch. I didn't eat breakfast actually.
Yeah, this is
Just
our
what?
this is our breakfast, our lunch, and our dinner.
Pizza.
So yummy.
This is like with the pasta, with pizza and chicken. Because in the hotel it's expensive. If you eat
Pizza.
if you order from the hotel.
So
So we just decided.
we ordered it from outside.
Yeah. We are so tired, guys.
We just finished now. It is now it's at what is the time?
The time is. See? The time.
It is going 3. And
Yes.
tomorrow we have another shoot. 2 shoots.
It's 2:38 in the morning, guys. 2:38 in the morning. We just need to eat because tomorrow we might sleep a little bit longer. No, we will not be sleeping longer because 10:30 we should get ready by 9:30 like that. So
Yum.
Lydia,
We
Mama
will not
Lydia,
have time to eat breakfast. So that's why we are eating now.
yeah. So
And
it's
it's late. Tomorrow morning we will be still full.
For
Our
sure.
stomach are
yeah. So, I am vlogging because Lydia was telling me, Madam, why you are not putting me in your vlog? So when I don't know, she thinks she will go. I don't know, but she said that so I will not. So she said that so I will not forget her.
Yum.
So that's why I said okay. Since you were sharing today afternoon, she was watching our vlog, and she skipped on saying, Madam, I don't have it in your video. You want to be in my video, in the vlog. So that's why I said, okay.
Because I don't want you to forget me. I don't want me to forget you. Forever.
Forever. So okay, so I said, okay, we will make vlog.
Yum.
So that's why. So we don't have time and we cannot shoot in the wedding. Shoot in the wedding, so now we are doing the video.
You will watch it. You will watch it on Vlogger or YouTube.
You can watch it everywhere.
YouTube.
TikTok, Facebook. Where do you want to watch? Watch. It's so yummy. Because maybe I'm so hungry.
It's yum. It's hearty pizza with what is this chicken? This one.
Ham.
Mm.
Oh my god. It's like you want to eat but you want to close your eyes.
Yes, you have to back up. This back up what?
Back up the footage.
Which means you will sleep maybe by 4.
Yeah.
By 4 a.m.
Maybe. Let's see. We'll see. I hope it will finish fast.
Hard work pays. Yeah, you're working to get more money. And more money.
My bucket.
No sleep. We want money. If we have any job, please call us. And we will do great what? Great job, great work for you.
Yeah. Lydia will be the model. She will be the model. So that is, guys. We just want to share with you our breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We are so tired, but because of Mama Lydia's request to be in the vlog, here we are.
Mama Lydia.
Mama Lydia. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow. We'll update you.
Bye-bye.
Good morning, guys. Ito na, gising na kami. Gising na ako ng alas 9 ng umaga. Kailangan ko ng energy. Wala akong masyadong tulog. Kasi alas 3, mag-alas 4 na kami natulog. So, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Almost 3 hours lang yung tulog ko, guys. At talagang super pagod ako. Hindi ko alam. Laging pagka nasa ibang lugar ako, hindi ako makatulog. Para ako namamahay, guys. So, umorder ako ng isa pang tubig para i-fill up ang aking water bottle. Ang aking best friend na water bottle. Ito yung regalo sa akin ni Daddy Varon nung birthday ko. Ayan, birthday gift niya sa akin. Stanley water bottle. And super helpful siya sa akin pag nagdadrive ako kasi diistro siya. Para pag nagdadrive ako, iinom lang ako, magsizip lang ako ng konting tubig, ganan. Hindi ko na kailangang tumungga tas nakaganon yung mata. So, super helpful siya sa akin, guys. Yan. So, nagkakape lang ako saglit. Wala na akong time, actually. Naligo na ako kahapon, kagabi. Pagdating namin. So, magtututbrush ako. Nagkape muna ako bago magtutbrush, no? So, tara, punta na tayo dito. At, nag-ano na ako. Ayan. So, meron pa akong phone dito. Kailangan natin mag-ready, guys. Oh my God, nag-zoom in siya. Let's get ready with me. Mag-ano tayo. First, toothbrush. So, meron ako nito. Wala akong mahal na toothbrush. May toothpaste. Ayan, Himalaya. Mint. So, tayo ay mag-toothbrush. Dito. Dito. Ang dami kong nasa lababo. Ganito ako pag nag-hotel ako mag-isa. Hindi ako nagaganto masyado pag kasama ko yung mga bata kasi nga naglalaro sila sa mga bagay-bagay. So ayan ganun naman. Ang dami, di ba? Pero hindi kinalimutan yung skincare kasi skincare is life. Di ba? Ayan. Beauty of Johnson. Joseon. Paano may pronounce. So, ayan. Isin ko yung mic. Baka mabasa. Ito yung ginagamit ko. Na-discover ko siya. Binili ko lang siya recently. St. Ives Blemish Control. Gusto ko siya sa mukha. Saan ba yung ipit ko? Gusto ko siya kasi may mga beads siya. Kasi feeling ko, nakakatulong siya sa tiredness ng mata ko, ng mukha ko, tapos relaxing pa siya sa mukha. So, yun. Tignan niyo yung consistency nito. Ay, mag-focus. Ayan yung mag-focus, guys. Ayan. Ito. Ayaw talaga. Let's do transformation! Woo! Tada! Ayan. So, magpadala na tayo at mag-makeup na ako. Ito na. Mag-makeup na. Diyan! I'm ready, guys. So, nakapag-makeup na ako. Only my hair. Okay, we don't have time. So, see you later. We'll update you. Lydia is eating.
I'm eating breakfast.
My hairstyle. Ayan. Kulot-kulutan ng lola mo. This is Mama Lydia. We are ready for today's shoot. The first shoot. And then later, of course, we have to retouch. I feel like my face is so white. Yeah.
You don't like white face?
Too much. It's not even to my hand. But anyways, guys, it will oxidize and it will go later. So, ganyan. Ayan. That is the one. Ayan. Kakakulay naman itong braso sa ano. Okay, guys. See you later! Guys, update. We are here in Bawabat Mall. Ayan. Mama Lydia is there. There. Ayan, there. Mama Lydia is there. Okay, so... Ayan. So, guys, we finished our first shoot today. It was very tiring. Of course, as usual, I cannot take picture and document myself there because it's not allowed. It's very hot. Napakainit kasi nagkakad kami sa labas. And now, we are here in the parking sa mall, dito sa Bawabat. Kasi dito sa Bawabat Mall, 7 minutes lang siya away from my shoot, to my next shoot. And because I wanted to back up the shoot, the picture that I did earlier, so nandito ako, nagbaback up ako guys. Ito, ayan o, it's still tracking me. Ayan, kasi I'm backing my shoot. Oh, Mama Lydia is there. She really want to be in the Mama Lydia wants to just really see herself in the camera. She is very happy. If I include her in the vlog, ayan, gustong-gusto niya, Manan, I want in the video. She loves to be in the video. So, ayan guys. So, after this, after back up, I don't know if we still have time if we go enter the mall. Because we have to be in the shoot 30 minutes before. Kasi kailangan namin mag-set up ng mga gamit namin. We need to do the backdrop, we need to do the lightings. Yes, so, I don't know if after this backing, the backup, I don't think we have time to go inside. Because now it's already 2:44. I told her to go inside the mall but she don't want. So anyway guys, let's see what will happen. Ito yung mall oh. I like this mall because it's huge. This mall is huge. Mahaba siya, madaming galaan. I'm not hungry. I don't know Mama Lydia if she wanted to eat, but we had croissant, we have some food, so I was thinking no need for lunch. We will still see after this back up. Maybe we can just grab something quick to eat. Ayun guys, so yung nasa likod ko, ano ba tong nasa likod ko na yan? This is carton and there is another box behind, there is another box behind. Wait, yeah, this one. Another box. Yes, this box. Because this one is for mommy in India. So mommy wants to have some crates, something she wants. Ayan. So, pumunta ako dun sa company ni Baron dati. And, yun. So, kailangan namin ng, si mami, gusto niya ng mga box. At ito, ibibigay namin to kay mami. Diba? So, ayan. Ibibigay namin sa India. So, that's it guys. And later, alligator, my one photographer will be with me. We will go home together in Dubai. So, ayan, isasama ko siya sa vlog. I love the lighting. Actually, natutuwa ako sa lighting dito. Love ko siya. I love the lighting. Okay guys, so, see you. Ayan, natapos na yung mga ibang kinakopy ko. Yung last na lang, yung pinakamalaking file na lang. Ayan. Ang laki ba naman ng file? 87 GB, 87 something. Ayaw mag-focus. So, that is the file size. Nakakapagod guys, pero nag-enjoy naman ako. The thing is, alam mo ba, ganitong mga panahon dati, pag hindi ako nakakainom ng gamot, kasi may high blood pressure ako guys. And one thing na, so meron palang mga hangin-hangin sa likod. So, ang isang gustong-gusto ko na iniinom ko ngayon is yung collagen. U-Theory. So, lalagay ko dito yung picture ng iniinom ko ngayon. So, natutuwa ako sa kanya kasi kahit na pagod ako, kahit na wala ako masyadong tulog. Dati kasi, nung hindi pa ako umiinom nun, pakiramdam ko, pagkagising ko sa umaga, napagod na ako, na inaantok na ulit ako, na masakit yung buong katawan ko. Pero since nung pina-follow ko yung dosage niya, kasi dati, si Daddy Baron yung bumili nun. Sabi niya sa akin, it's okay, just drink one tablet a day, sabi niya gano'n. Uminom lang daw ako ng isang tableta sa isang araw. Pero ang nakalagay dun sa likod ng box, dapat daw 6 na tablet sa isang araw. Tapos, nung iniinom ko siya ng isang beses lang, isang capsule lang sa isang araw, wala, hindi ko siya nararamdaman, parang ganun pa rin. Pero nung sinunod ko na yung kung ilang tablets, ay babe, ang sarap. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam ko. Feeling ko, may energy pa rin ako hanggang gabi. Hindi ako masyadong pagod. Hindi masyadong masakit yung katawan. Masakit yung katawan ko, pero hindi katulad dati na talagang Grabe, para akong binugbog. Kasi nga, ang bibigat ng mga dinadala ko, ang bigat ng camera. Isipin mo, 6 to 8 hours, sometimes more than that. Bit-bit mo yung camera. Minsan, hindi lang isang camera. Meron ka pang sukbit dito, meron ka pang dalang light. So, sobrang, ano talaga, babe? Sobrang grabe talaga yung buhat-buhat sa lagay na to. So, yun guys. And, of course, yung ano ko, yung iniinang kong maintenance, yun yung pinaka-importante sa akin yun. And meron akong good news guys. So, magpapa-opera na ako sa India. Papa-opera ko na yung fibroids ko kasi may malaki akong myoma. Kung hindi, sa mga hindi nakakalam ng fibroids. So, meron po akong myoma. Sobrang laki na niya guys. Dalawa daw siya. Isang kasing laki ng lemon. Tapos isang kasing laki ng tomato. So, yun. So, papatanggal ko na siya. So, hopefully, kasi napaka-short lang ng aking vacation sa India. Ng aming vacation sa India. So, in-squeeze namin yung aming, tawag dito, yung aming schedule. So, yung first few days, gala time yan, gala time. Tapos, mga August 3 or 4, doon na ako magpapa-opera. Tapos, uuwi na kami ng birthday ko, August 10. Ang tanda ko na, mag-35 na mi. Pero, anyway guys, para sa edad yan, meron pa tayong, madami pa tayong energy. So, ayun guys, so, konti lang yung time para magpahinga. Kasi pagkadating ko dito, bakbakan na naman. So, sabi sa akin ni Varun, dahil ngayon is summertime. Actually, ngayon, medyo busy na ako eh. Sabi niya, i-grab mo na yung opportunity na mapaalis ko yung myoma ko, yung fibroids ko. Dahil dito guys, pag dito ako nagpaalis, wala kaming insurance. May insurance kami before, pero nag-expired na siya. Ang mahal, kasi nga may sarili kami, di ba? Hindi kami nagtatrabaho sa ibang kumpanya. So, kami yung talagang kumukuha ng aming insurance. So, ang nangyari guys is, nung nagpapatingin ako, ang kailangan ko daw bayaran is around 20,000 to 50,000 dirham para ipaalis yun. Napakamahal. As in, i-convert ko lang, ito yung conversion. Kung magkano siya, kung ipapaalis ko siya dito. Tapos, nung nag-decide na kami na sabi sa akin, hindi, kailangan mo talaga umalis. Kailangan mo magbakasyon. Kailangan nyo magbakasyon. Dahil kailangan mo ng pahinga. I-refresh mo yung utak mo para pagbalik mo, meron kang energy, meron kang mas marami kang maibibigay sa client mo. Ayan, sige. Okay, no problem. Sinunod ko naman siya. Although alam ko na madami ako mamimiss. Actually, madaming nagbubook sa akin ng mga end of July, first week of August. Kaso nga lang, kahit magbigay ako ng photographer, ang gusto nila ako. Oh my God. So, basta yun na yun. So, kailangan naman nating bigyan ng panahon ang sarili nating mag-enjoy, di ba? So, I wanted to give this opportunity para sa mga anak ko. Parang ano namin to, me time sa mga bata, gala with mga, gala time, nakasama yung mga anak ko. At kasama din yung family nila sa India, yung family namin sa India. So, yun guys. Tapos, at yun na, yung pinaka-excited ako, maaalis na yung aking iniinda. Kasi minsan pag naglalakad ako, halimbawa, nakaupo ako like this, tas bigla akong tumayo. Biglang sumisiksik sa sa singit ko ba? yung fibroids, yung myoma. Tas biglang ang sakit. Sobrang sakit. So, ayun, ano na siya, talagang red flag na siya sa pakiramdam ko. Kailangan na siyang alisin. So, yun yung update ko guys. And sana, chika-chika pa tayo. Comment down below kung anong gusto nyong malaman sa mga update sa buhay. Alam ko namang ang dami nyong na-miss, ang dami kong hindi na-update. At syempre, medyo mas gusto natin ng mag-focus sa mga bagay-bagay na hindi pang chismis lang, di ba? So, nag-focus tayo sa ating sarili. Yung mga panahon na nawala tayo dito sa social media or sa YouTube, yun yung mga panahon na nag-google tayo para mag-grow as a person. Para pagbalik natin, at gusto nating bumalik, yan, pwede yan. Ito, may advice ko sa inyo. Di ba yung mga katulad ko, siguro meron akong energy or hilig talaga na mag-video. So, nung nag-start ako ng vlog, talagang hindi naman siya for the money, hindi siya for the fame. Gusto ko siyang maging memories at saka reference ko na, ay, ganun pala ako before. Ay, ito pala yung dati. So, di ba? So, I can say na siguro yung nakilala yung Rachel dati, iba na yung Rachel ngayon. More energy. I feel like mas marami akong energy, mas marami akong confidence, at mas marami na akong maiaambag. Ayun. So, yun. Katulad ni Mami Lydia. Ayan. So, tulog na naman yata siya. At nakatulog na siya sa kakalik niya. So, ang dami kong gustong sabihin, ang dami kong gustong i-chika. Pero of course, next vlog na yun.